Do you suffer from itching, redness, cracking of the skin allergies? In this episode, we will be talking about chronic skin issues, what you can do in terms of diet, lifestyle, herbal formulas, etc., so that you can get a long lasting relief. With us, we have Dr. Giovanni Brinciuali from Italy.
Namaste.
He is a medical doctor and he is practicing Ayurveda and Ayurshakti Siddhaveda lineage style for 27 years as a medical doctor in Italy. I am Dr. Smita Naram, head of Ayurshakti, and I am leading the Siddhaveda lineage, which is 2500 years old system of healing, ancient system of healing. First, we will do the case study, Dr. Giovanni.
Yes.
Would you like to share?
Yes. There is a very interesting and impressive case. I received a call from Holland while I was living in Italy, and a mother was in despair because her daughter, age 11, was having practically half of the body like if she was put in hot water. So all the skin was coming out. There was a peeling of the skin. The underskin was exposed with a lot of pain, and she couldn't also wear just a t-shirt. And also the doctors was very surprised, and dermatologists, they didn't know what was going on in her situation. And so we have started to give her a full plan of therapy using the 6 instruments, and very fast. She had very fast recover. That we have a picture that we are going to show you, that in almost a week she could see that the new skin was growing, the inflammation was going, and she was feeling more confident, less pain, less itching, and so in a couple of weeks, all this problem has been totally reversed. This was very, very impressive, very visual also, because you see all the body that has a lot of problem, and then suddenly the skin become normal.
Thank you. That was a great story. Normally, we, from our experience of helping more than almost 200,000 people suffering from a chronic skin issues in last 37 years. And also we have published research papers on psoriasis, lichen amyloidosis, which is again a very genetic type of skin condition, that it can be healed using the Ayurshakti Skinotox program. We principally focus on, according to Ayurveda, these skin problems, any skin problems are because of the excessive pitta, mucus produced, and sometimes even kapha is involved. And this mucus slowly and steadily, from the wrong food, diet, lifestyle, we produce a lot of acids in the stomach, and this goes into the blood, and through the circulation it keeps on depositing under the skin. And at some point, when it is beyond certain level of tolerance, boom, there is a sudden outburst of redness, itching, psoriasis. People think, oh my God, I never had any single skin problem. Suddenly, how this happened? But it's already cooking for many, many years. And then the skin, under the skin, there are these toxins. So the immune system mistakes them as a foreign body, and it begins to attack its own skin to remove this foreign body. Because that is immune system job. That any viral bacteria, foreign body, immune system will create antibody and attack it. And that is why it becomes autoimmune inflammatory condition. The principle that we use in healing this situation is to pull out all these pitta, excessive pitta toxins from the body through different detox programs, calm them down, acidic reactions, calming them using diet, lifestyle changes, home remedies, and herbal formulas, and giving, so removing toxins, recovering or repairing the skin and immune system, and finally renewing the skin using natural herbal formulas so that a new natural skin is created and the immune system is renewed to such an extent that it doesn't produce this kind of a histamine reaction so quickly. And we do this using 6 tools of the you want to explain the diet?
Yes, this is very interesting explanation, Dr. Smita, because in the West we focus mainly in just applying some cream, yeah. But in our case, we are focusing in the imbalance inside, and we are cleaning the blood, we are cleaning all the tissues and removing the toxins. So we have given remedies, Ayurvedic Ayushakti remedies that are good for cleansing the blood, like Suniram. We have given high doses in that case. We have given 2, and then we have given skin tonic to repair, to give a tonicity to the skin, and then Kaishori Gugul to give to again to repair the damage, and Virechen to clean the body, remove from the intestine all the toxins that has been eliminated from the blood, and Immuno again, and or Ojas. And Amrutras. Amrutras is, in this case, is very good for cleansing all the issues.
And Amrutras is actually helping to stop producing acid from the gut.
Yeah.
Because when the gut health is not working, you get all these toxins produced and deposited in any organ of the body. So that was wonderful explanation. But along with that, we also give a diet,
Yes.
which is a diet of no sour, fermented and spicy food to calm down pitta. Avoid completely gluten, dairy, because most people are producing histamine nowadays from this dairy and gluten. It is inflammation causing on the skin. Red meat also to be avoided, and is possible in severe cases even chicken and fish is avoided.
Yes.
Well,
Yes.
and lots of cooked vegetables, particularly zucchini, squashes, pumpkin, all the Indian vegetables also, like lauki, turai, can be taken. So this is typically diet we follow. We also do a lot of cleansing, sometimes through mung and vegetable fasting, 3 to 5 days every month, or Panchakarma process absolutely helps very quickly to remove toxins. Once you remove the toxins, then you can slowly and steadily work on renewing and rebuilding the immune and skin tissues so that there is a long-lasting relief and the skin remains very smooth and natural without any trouble for many, many years to come. So, my dear friends, I would like to invite you to come and consult Dr. Giovanni or any doctors who are there working with Ayushakti across the world. If you have any health issues which you need to have a long-lasting relief, we are specialized in chronic health issues and working for last 37 years, helping 1.8 million people across the world using very ancient wisdom coming from an old lineage of 2,500 years old. So this parampara, the lineage, is really very powerful, and having the knowledge used for thousands and thousands of years. I see you next time. If you have any health issues that you want me to talk about, just write it down in the comments below. Namaste.
Namaskar. Thank you.